Hey guys, make sure you stand till the end. We're going to talk about common mistake people make that can cost you thousands of dollars in repairs, parts, tools that you may not actually need. Stay with us, we'll explain what it is. Hey guys, welcome back to Electrical Car Repair Live. Super quick helpful video for any of you trying to find where the brake lights, top lights, fuses, relays are located on Chevy Equinox, that generation here from year 2010 to year 2017. Stay with us, we'll talk about that, what you need to check. We'll talk about hidden fuse boxes. This is guys information that can potentially save you thousands of dollars in future repairs. And by the way guys, if you need to buy any replacement parts, tools, fuses, relays, we will share that information in the description of the video below. Guys, check it out and you can see where we get most of our tools and supplies from as well. So let's start on it now. Before we start guys, let us tell you quick a little bit about us. Every single car we get here at the garage, we try to make at least 200 to 300 free repair videos. We show you how to fix almost anything guys. Engines, transmissions, bodywork, fuses, relays. Why we do all that? Because our mission in the garage is to save you as much money as we can. All we need in return, please subscribe to the channel, like the video, that way we can keep making these free videos. By the way guys, check out our YouTube channels. We have more than 19,000 free repair videos that can save you thousands of dollars in future repairs. So let's go ahead guys and start on it now. For the brake lights, top lights, which fuses, relays we need to check? Multiple ones. We'll explain why. Come guys, we'll show you where you can find them on that generation Chevy Equinox. Quick advice from us to save you even more money in the future. 9 out of 10 owners do not know about hidden fuse boxes in that Chevy Equinox. That's why we made one special video on our YouTube channel that's called Chevy Equinox fuse box location and diagram video that can save you thousands of dollars in repairs. Open the front right door. When you do that guys, you need to come in the footwell compartment, and on the side of the center console on the passenger side in the footwell compartment you have that cover. Open that cover and underneath you're going to find a fuse box with a layout like this one here. Before we continue, let's explain quickly why it's always a good idea to test fuses and relays. It is guys very important to test fuses and relays. On those fuses you cannot clearly see if they're burnt or not, especially you can see in the J-case fuses as well. And if you guys assume, okay, let's say you remove a fuse, you look at it and you assume guys that it's actually a good fuse, but it's actually a bad fuse, sometimes you cannot clearly see that. What can easily happen guys at that point, you can put the bad fuse in and you start replacing parts and tools that you don't need to, so you lose your time, you lose your money to fix a problem that doesn't exist, when all we had to do is test the fuse and replace it. We'll put a link to a special video that will teach you how to test fuses, how to check relays very easily as well guys. So check it out, it will be in the description of the video below. Here guys, now there is very limited information which fuse you need to check, but most likely it's part of the BCM module functions, so you need to check all your body control module fuses guys. Okay, body control module fuses, where they're located now. First you start here, fuse number 4, fuse number 6, fuse number 7. Those are the first fuses you need to check. Then you go to fuse number 8 right here guys. Next we need to check fuse number 16 right here. Very important fuse. Fuse number 20 as well. Next you need to check fuse number 30 right here. See, most of these fuses are 15M fuses. Then from 30 you count 1, 2, 30, 31, 32, 33, 34. Fuse number 34 needs to be checked as well. And then fuse number 40 right here. All of these fuses are for the body control module. There is limited information which one exactly you need to check for that specific function, but check all of these fuses, most likely the problem will be there guys. Guys, now one very quick advice from us. If you open guys interior fuse box, we want to show you have two kinds of different fuses and relays here, but in the engine fuse box you have all kinds of different fuses, relays, J-case fuses, mini fuses, relays. Now guys, always keep some spare ones. If you're in the middle of nowhere, let's say you need a fuse for a fuel pump, you don't have a replacement one, you are stuck, always get some spare ones, put them in the glove box for a peace of mind. We will share guys the information in the description of the video below where you can get replacement fuses, relays, parts, tools as well guys. So thank you for watching, hopefully the video was helpful and see you guys next time.